Discover the secret to perfectly styled homes with our personalized interior design tabs. Make every space shine. So hello everyone and welcome back to today's video. I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Wix and build your own professional website. Let's get into it. So the first steps that you have to do is open your browser and dive into wix.com. So this is the home page. We have your first information, but before, let's know what is Wix. Wix is a cloud-based website development platform that allows users to create and design websites using a drag and drop interface. It offers a range of customizable templates, design tools, and features to help individuals and businesses build professional looking websites without needing advanced coding skills. So this is what is Wix, and if we scroll down we have here how to create a website for free. Follow the 6 simple steps to create a website today. So the first step is choose a platform. Sign up for a secure, reliable and powerful website builder. Then we have start creation. Choose from over than 900 fully functional templates or use the EA website builder. The third step is customize your website. Use the drag and drop editor and tailor your site to fit your brand. Then we have the fourth step, it optimize for search engines. Increase your site's visibility with a suite of built-in SEO tools. We have publish your website, register and connect a custom domain name and go live. Then we have promote and drive traffic. Use built-in marketing tools to grow and expand your reach. So I will show you how you can do that. So the first step is click for get started. Then you write your email and here also confirm your email. As you can see, then you write your password. Then you confirm your password again. Then you click over sign up. So we have here, let's get started. What are you creating a website for? So we have the first step. The first one we have for myself, my business, or my friend, or for a client as a freelancer or an agency. So I'll choose the second one and you click over continue. So we have here agencies and freelancers. Wix Studio is the platform for you. So the first one we have manage multiple clients, sites, and projects all from one workspace. Then we have collaborate and create with your team in real time on the canvas, design with custom breakpoints, code-free animations, and responsive EA. Then we have ensure a seamless handover, personalized client kits. So you click over continue with Wix. And you have here bring your ideas to life with EA. Tell us about the site you are creating and get a personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. So you click over start chat, then you click over in chat and continue. Then you have your what type of website do you want to create. So for example, let's choose portfolio design and you click over continue. Once you do that, you will find another page which is tell us about your design portfolio. We will use EA to tailor your setup journey, recommend tools, and personalized content for your site. So we have here what is it's called. So for example, I will choose. And then you click over continue. Then you click over here. You have what are your goals for this site. We selected this based on your answers and any others you'd like. So for example, showcase creative work. And then we have here what else do you need to manage your site. We have choose below and we will make sure you have the right tools. So for example, advertise on Google, send email marketing, and then you click over finish. Once you do that, you will just wait and you will go to dashboard. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, welcome to dashboard. As you can see, we have your various information. But if you want to get started, you have also here the shop, explore, market. We have your high professional. Also, we have your hub, and you have just right now to click over design. So we have here how would you like to design your website. First one, we have generate a design with EA, get a personalized site design in seconds. So you can go generate a design, or you have here customize a template, browse thousands of designs, then pick one of the customs. So let's click over the first one. And we have here a first information. So right now you click over continue with this design, and you have here complete this site with your own domain. Give your site a more professional look with a branded domain name. Then you click over let's go. So Wix offers several benefits for website creation, including its intuitive drag and drop interface that allows users to design and customize websites easily without coding knowledge. It provides a wide range of templates and design tools, enabling users to create professional-looking sites tailored to their needs. Additionally, Wix includes built-in features such as SEO tools, e-commerce capabilities, and mobile optimization, making it a comprehensive solution for both personal and business websites. Its flexibility and ease of use make it an appealing choice for those looking to establish a strong online presence quickly. So this is the homepage. We have here various information. Like here we have add elements. So we have here text, we have image, button, strip, decorative, box, gallery, menu, and show, and also we have here various things. Then we have here add section, a generator, welcome here. About a generator, you have to select section type. I'll come here, for example, contacts, and then we have team here, contacts, features, promotion, business info. We have also here site page and menu, portfolio or collection pages, and then we have here select. You can add section here, so you can just modify your photo. You can also link your photo with this Wix and you get started with it. So in summary, Wix is a versatile and user-friendly platform that simplifies website creation with its drag and drop functionality and extensive design options, making it accessible for users with varying levels of technical expertise. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.